Now, what do we have here? We have a bullish trend, right? We have a bullish trend. It's not hard to see that we're bullish. And we still didn't break the previous high. So we cannot look for sells if we don't break the previous high. Now we can look for sells if at 130 we have manipulation of this high, and then we have some clear structure that actually gives us a confirmation and look for sells. But we were still inside this bullish trend, inside this high which wasn't grabbed yet. So we were still bullish and we still could have entered buys even if we went above Asian range. So we have some confluence right here. We have some confluence with Asian range trending to the upside. After the Asian range was trending to the upside, what is here? What did I just say at the beginning of this live? That the best demands are the ones that manipulate and break, right? And here we have multiple breaks of structure right here, 1, 2, 3, right? Break of structure, manipulation right here. And this demand is created. This demand is created, okay? Perfect. Now this demand is created, and pay attention because it is below this other liquidity. We never want to actually be liquidity, we want to trade with liquidity after liquidity is taken. So we saw that liquidity was taken. I was on charts with Stefano. Actually, we were just talking on Telegram. He's another trader of the Excel team. He mostly trades JER30, and I trade Forex and JER30 as well. 1 second, let me lower the volume of my headphones because it's going crazy. Perfect. Okay, so as I was saying, here we had manipulation of this previous low where a lot of traders were getting involved already. We got the first trade here actually. This is the 3 minutes, let's go on the 1 minute. And on the 1 minute, we also use volumes to get involved. As I said yesterday in my first live, I didn't use volumes for a very long time. But then Stefano came to Canary Islands some months ago, and he told me, you know what, I saw that with volumes we can even have a better accuracy in some cases, not all cases, in some cases. And he explained to me what he saw during his backtest and forward test. I backtested it, I forward tested it as well, and I saw great accuracy when used correctly. It's just something to add to the strategy, it's nothing that solves the enigma of trading, it's just something to add to the strategy. Now, let me see if I can turn on my camera. Let's see, I don't know. Anyway, we manipulated, and right here, with the first candle, with the volumes confirmations and with the retest, we got in. We went to profit right here. This was the trade, I believe. This was the trade right here. And then we came back to break even. Now, after that, we got involved again. We got involved again because sometimes this is something that I've been backtesting for a very long time and that I've noticed through the years of trading. But sometimes it can happen that sometimes we just touch the demand, manipulate the liquidity and just skyrocket. Some other times, the first touch of the demand gets manipulated. So we manipulated it right here and we got involved again with other volume confirmation together with our overall bias, which was pretty accurate with the Asian range and everything. We got involved. Perfect, welcome back. We got involved. Actually, we got involved pretty low, I would say. Or did we here? Well, anyway, I'm not gonna look right now exactly where, but the point is that we booked a 1-to-3 restored ratio. Right here we closed, perfect. We closed perfectly right here, maybe 2.94, well, 1-to-3 restored ratio. Kept going higher, came back to manipulate and then went higher again. But anyway, this was our trade 1-to-3 restored ratio after the first break even. And as I said already, everything is right here in the signal channel. And actually I have a news and I will write it down right here. 50 spots for the Excelsior channel are opening today. That's where I send all of my trades. Also, Stefano shares his own trades. I share all of my trades with stop loss and take profit, of course. I try to also share my trades. Like, of course, if you have an entry right here, I'll show my thought process also here during the live. But I only go live 1 hour per day, and I trade London and New York session open. And all of the other trades are shared with Excelsior members, and also, yeah, basically. So we will open 50 spots. Just stay ready on my free Telegram channel. Stay ready on my Instagram pages. Stay ready. You can also join the waiting list. How many people are in the Signal group? We have around 400 people. A lot of people join, and then instead of paying monthly, they upgrade to the lifetime. So, you know, it's an investment that if even you have a funded account, you just make 1%, and you not only get back the investment, but you also make great money. So that's our goal for everyone. But anyway, let's get back here. You know what we're looking for. We don't want to trade USD pairs because there are news, but we want to trade JER30 if we have a good confirmation. We want to see at 1:30 in 3 minutes. I hope that there will be a nice move that maybe is also caused by the reflection of news. We manipulate this high and then we get a nice confirmation. At that point, I'll get involved. If you are ready, write in the chat that you are ready. Let me know if you are ready for this. Let me know if you are ready. Because I'll be here. I'll be here in the live. I'll be here looking at what is happening in order to possibly catch this opportunity. Maybe there will not be opportunity. This is the job of traders. You just need to stay patient. The chart is JER30. I trade Forex, but most of my pairs are affected by the news, which are in 2 minutes. EUR/GBP, I don't really like the chart right now. There's no opportunity on EUR/GBP. But JER30 is giving some nice opportunities if we get the pattern that we want. Now, as I was saying, the job of traders is to be bored. You don't need to be excited. You don't need to feel excitement. You don't need to be hyped up. You just need to wait. Wait and click a couple buttons. You wait for 4 hours, and then at a certain point, you just need to click 2 buttons. And that's it. So this is our job. News in 1 minute. News in 1 minute. Let me actually go on my phone and see the outcome of the news. News in 1 minute. Actually, 35 seconds. On the US dollar. So maybe it will not affect at all JER30. Maybe it will. Just on the side. Just move it a little bit. Oh, these are not crazy news, but anyway, even if we get a small move only from here to here with a couple candles, it can still be very, very interesting to consider. It's funny, no one sent their charts yet here on the chat. Not yesterday, not today. I don't see any chart. I would like to look at your charts if you... There we go, perfect. Manipulate the high. We want to see manipulation of the high. Let's go. Ooh. GBUSD went crazy a little bit. Here is the as well. JER30, we need to see manipulation of the high. We will not get involved if we don't see manipulation of the high. We need to go above the high in order to consider getting involved. There is a question, how many signals do you send per week? It depends. Are you here to make money or are you here to be entertained? Because in my channels, in my groups, we don't want to entertain anyone. We are here to make money. That's our job as traders. That's what we want to do. So, I send the trades that I take. If I take 0 trades, I'll send 0 trades. If I take 10 trades, I'll send 10 trades. That's it. Best website to check news, I check on investing.com. That's it. We are here to make money, right? Yes, we are here to make money. That's why I send only the trades that I take. I'm not here to entertain the people that are in the channel. Sometimes I get a couple messages. Oh, but today there were no trades. Yeah, right. Because I will not, like, first of all, my money is on the line because I trade my funded accounts and also my personal account. Second of all, your money is on the line as well because you are in the group. So I have even more responsibility and I don't want to just send random stuff. You know, I send the trades that I take and that's it.